Prior to the Indian Association, Sisir Kumar Ghosh, along with Shambhu Charan Mukherjee, founded a blank in Calcutta on 25 September 1875. The India League. The special Congress session held in 1920 at Calcutta was presided over by Lala Lajpat Rai. Who among the following had during his reign introduced a new calendar, a new system or coinage, and new scales of weights and measures? Tipu Sultan. Lahore was Ranjit Singh's political capital. Which city was called his religious capital? Amritsar. In 1913, the Guru founded an ashram at Blank called the Advaita Ashram. Aliuba. Of the following who died as political prisoner in Lahore prison? Jatin Das. Under whose leadership was the Congress Socialist Party founded in 1934? Acharya Narendra Bose and P.C. Joshi Narayan. Who among the following introduced Rotwari system in Madras? Sir Thomas Munro. The second roundtable conference failed over the question of communal representation. Who was the architect of North and South blocks of the Central Secretariat in Delhi? Sir Edward Lutyens. India was partitioned as a consequence of the formula contained in June 3 Plan or Mountbatten Plan. Who among of the following was the founder of society called Abhinav Bharat? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Which year did Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay wrote Anand Math? (1882). To face the Maratha army, the Rohilla's chief entered into a pact with the Nawab of Awadh. The first newspaper which was published in India was The Bengal Gazette.